Hello, in this video, you will learn how to add a video to your Odoo website. First, you gotta log into your Odoo account and open the website app, which you can find right here. Just click on it. And now take a moment to explore the main page. Then navigate to the page where you want to add a video. You can click the edit button to enter the page builder, which you can find on the top right corner of the website. And click on it. And now that you're here, you just gotta look for the option to add a new block or element and then select video block, which you can find right here, and just click on it and then drag it to wherever you want to place it. And now that you're here, just double tap it. And here you can upload your video file from your device or paste a link from platforms like YouTube and so on. After adding the video, after you're okay with your link, just add the video to the website, and after adding the video you can adjust its size, the position to fit your page layout, and when everything looks good for you, just save your changes and exit the editor, and your video is now live on your website. And just like that, please like and subscribe if this helped.